just to make sure that your wishes take place when you are no longer here. And that's very, very important, okay? It's about designating beneficiaries. You know, what if you have little kids, right? Sister Natasha, you have 2 boys, right? Something happened prematurely to you. What happened to your boys? Are the boys gonna grow up with your mom or somebody else's mom? Is that person, those new parents, going to be Seventh-day Adventists? Are the children going to grow up with the values that you expect? We don't know. And that's one of the main reasons why planning is important.